Hope you guys have been waiting. I'm so sorry for the wait. We're gonna be back on the mini bike series. In today's video, we're gonna be stripping it down, getting it ready for paint, and I'm also gonna be seeing what I can reuse and what I cannot. So I'm gonna see what I gotta buy, see what I don't. And if you're new to the channel, I'm gonna be rebuilding that mini bike again. It's gonna be epic. Stay along for the journey as we rebuild it and get it back in action, firing up, And the paint I'm gonna be going with is a gloss black. Before we start disassembling it and stripping it down, we're gonna be cold starting it. It's been so long since I cold started that down, so let's go. Time to cold start this puppy. It's gonna take a minute, so give me a minute. Off camera, guys, I was yanking and yanking on the mini bike full start to take. It was taking such a long time. Let's try one more time and see if it starts up. Okay, guys. Oh, it started, guys. Let's go. Oh, it just died. It is so cold that it keeps dying. Let's try to get it turned on again. Baby red, baby red. It is. Alright guys, we finally got it idling by itself. It sounds really rough, but look at it now. It is shaking like this thing is a piece of junk right now. But once we're done with this, it's gonna be a marvelous machine. Just rev it up. So baby rev, baby rev. Alright guys, it officially started up again. Guys, it starts immaculately fast now. Like 1 to 2 pulls. Let me show you an example. Guys, hold up, wrong one. Look at that, guys. 1 pull, I had the kill switch on. It was not starting, so it took 1 pull to turn on. Look at this, it's immaculate. Some red. It is warmed up now. It was cold as ice. Now it is time to start assembling this junk and getting it ready. Alright guys, we're going to be taking apart the mini bike. Let's get started. I'm probably going to take off the flywheel first so I can take off the chain, and then I can start taking off the wheels. Let's see. I'm thinking that was maybe 12? Nope. 16? No. At 18? Yes. It's 18 millimeters. Look at this, guys. These are all the bolts right here for that flywheel. It is warm because it was just ran, but there we go. The flywheel is so janky. It is toasty. I got a ½ inch. It should work for the bolts, so let's get started. Alright guys, I got a 10 millimeter, which should be the right size for the bottom one. So let's go. I went to grab a wrench to hold the nut on because it was getting tight with my hand. So let's go. We got the blow out, guys. Here it is. There's only 3 bolts on the main line, which is kind of cooked. And it's probably last bolt came out right here. Let's keep these together so we know where they came out of. These are the only 3 bolts holding on the engine. what is holding on the Minibike engine exhaust. For some reason, the exhaust is so ass or cheap, that it does do it now. Look at this gasket, it is collapsed. That's collapsed. For some reason, the head is really cooked as well. The charging cable, we might have to get a new one, like I said. Alright guys, I got Phillips to take off the throttle. I can take off the throttle link. Let's go. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna start taking off the accessories on the front, like the handlebar and the kill switch and stuff like that. So let's start on that. This handlebar is not meant for this bike at all. I can talk about it. The Phillips head on the bracket, because it was another piece. Alright guys, my phone for some reason turned off during the almost end of taking off the kill switch, so I got it off. Here it is, just in case, right here. Yep. And then so next I'm going to be taking the throttle lever off, which is this little piece. I'm gonna be taking this piece off next. So yeah, let's get started. It is day 2 of the Minibike teardown. Today we're gonna be finishing the wheels and everything else. Let's go. Handlebar. I got 8mm wrench to hold the nut on the back while I'm taking it off. I use a 10mm instead to hold it on. Got the first one left. I'm taking up the headlight first to try to get the bolt underneath. curved tire. We got the second wheel off right here. Brake came off as well. Almost done. We got the spring off for the peg. We're gonna take it off the rest of the way. Everything is almost off except that last foot peg. I'm trying to get it off. Right now, we're gonna take off the sprocket off the wheel. Alright guys, we got the gear off from the wheel. The only thing we didn't really remove is this bolt, because like it's like somehow messed up, but we don't really need it. I could just probably just buy a new one. So I'm gonna just replace these as well and get bolts as well. But other than that, we got everything taken apart off the mini bike. Look at this. Okay, look at that. Completely stripped down mini bike frame. Ready to start painting. We're gonna clean it first, and then we're gonna start sanding it down, getting it ready for paint. Like I said before, the paint I'm gonna go with is a gloss black. I actually started sanding the handlebars just to see, and this is what the finished product of sanding is gonna be. I'm not gonna go down to bare metal. Only reason I went down to bare metal right here is because there was surface rust. I wanted to get rid of all of that so it doesn't come back. But other than that, that is it for today's video. In today's video, we're just taking apart the whole mini bike, and in the next video we'll be sanding it down because I don't want this video to be too long. So the next video we'll be sanding this whole mini bike frame down. We're washing it, then sanding it, and then probably in the video after that we'll be painting it. And yeah, see you in the next one.